If you need to change from a solenoid to a standard spray head on your machine, start by disconnecting the spray head from the battery. Next, carefully remove the cable ties from the main pipe and pull the cable loose from the body of the machine. Detach the spray head mount from the machine using the hand wheel and disconnect the pipe going into the solenoid valve by hand or by using the included aid. Finally, remove the solenoid spray head from the mount by loosening the hand wheel. Then replace with the standard spray head and feed pipe. Ensuring a positive connection when you reinsert the pipes.